Yo guys, what's up? This is Yugan and welcome to the Yugan channel. Hey guys, so Pongal Holidays is on and today, can you guess what video am I going to do? As you can see, I'm already ready and I got a flight to catch. We are going to do a travel vlog. நான் இன்னைக்கு மலேசியா போறேன். So I'm going to show you my whole journey throughout the flight. So இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா டைம் எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு லேட் ஆச்சு. It's already 8:30 and my flight is 11:10 and I should be there by 9:10. Since it is an international flight, I need to be there at least 2 hours earlier. So it's already kind of late for me and நான் already cab book பண்ணிட்டேன். It's on the way. எல்லாருக்கும் happy Pongal holidays and enjoy பண்ணுங்க. It's time to check out from home. See ya.
$2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so now I'm in the airport and I'm at the gate already. A few minutes ago I was so scared that I would miss my flight because due to Chennai traffic jam I was just 1 hour earlier. I was so scared, but thank God they gave single passengers a priority for faster check-in and now I'm here after the immigration and security check-in. So guys, it is already boarding time. Guys, my seat is in the 5th row. So soon we'll be finding it and settling down first. Chill buddy. Hi guys, good morning. We just reached the KLI airport and I'm going to pick up my luggage. My father is waiting outside. Let's go to daddy. Wow, the structure of the Petronas Twin Towers still looks very beautiful. Let's go to the car. விட்டா திருவிழால கரகா காணுது தெருவுல பல்லாங்குழி ஆனதெல்லாம் கொண்டு வரப்ப போல பனி காத்தும் சூடச்சே சிக்கு புகுரல கலக்கு பாரு வஸ்துல சிக்குவால மைலே வா ஓகே லாடிடுவே வந்தடச்சு கட்டு உன்னதான பாடா. This is how the morning view looks like from my bedroom. It's so beautiful. Hey yo guys, what's up? So guys, I'm on the way back to Chennai and I'm waiting for my flight. It's time for boarding. Now I'm going towards gate 11. The airport is so beautiful. Guys, so now I'm here to get my flight to Chennai. My family just sent me off and I really miss them. Soon, Yugan will be back in Chennai. See you there.
Oh, train.
Hey guys, the flight is getting delayed. So it's getting delayed more than 1 hour due to very heavy rain. It's about to take off. Yo guys, we are already back home and நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நான் செம்ம டயர்டாக இருக்கேன். வீட்டுக்கு வந்தோடனே செம்ம தூசியாக இருந்துச்சு, அதை சுத்தம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். அண்ட் நம்ம என்ன தான் டயர்டாக இருந்தாலும் எப்போவுமே ஃபுல் எனர்ஜெட்டிக்காக தான் இருக்கணும். ஸோ தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ guys. Stay tuned to the YUGAN channel, subscribe to the YUGAN channel and enjoy all the videos comes on YUGAN channel, and till then take care, bye bye.